Ever found yourself planning a dream European getaway, maybe a romantic stroll along the Seine, a historical dive in Rome, or a scenic drive through the Swiss Alps, and then a practical thought pops into your head, wait, can I use my TD Bank card there? Is there even a TD Bank in Europe? If that question has ever crossed your mind, you're definitely not alone. It's a common concern for many North American travelers, especially those who rely on the familiar green and white logo for their everyday banking needs. We're so accustomed to seeing TD Bank branches peppered across the US and Canada, making it easy to manage our finances, withdraw cash, and handle transactions. So, naturally, when you're venturing across the Atlantic, it's wise to wonder if that same convenience extends to European soil. After all, nobody wants to be caught in a foreign country without access to their funds or scrambling to find an ATM that accepts their card. The anxiety of financial accessibility can definitely put a damper on what should be a fantastic travel experience. So, let's get straight to it. Is there a physical TD Bank presence, with branches and ATMs, in Europe? The short answer, and perhaps a crucial piece of information for your travel planning, is no. TD Bank, as in Toronto Dominion Bank, primarily operates in North America, with a significant footprint across Canada and the eastern United States. While they are a globally recognized financial institution, their retail banking operations, the kind with brick-and-mortar branches and customer service desks, are not established in European countries. This doesn't mean you're entirely out of luck with your TD Bank card in Europe, but it's important to understand the distinction. You won't be able to walk into a TD branch in Paris or Berlin to make a deposit or speak with a bank representative. However, your TD Bank debit and credit cards, specifically Visa and MasterCard, are widely accepted internationally. This is thanks to the extensive global networks of these major card payment processors. So, when you're swiping your TD Visa or MasterCard at a restaurant in Rome, or withdrawing euros from an ATM in Amsterdam, you're relying on the Visa or MasterCard network, not a direct TD Bank presence. It's crucial to remember that while your card might work, you should always be aware of potential fees. International ATM withdrawals often incur foreign transaction fees from your bank, as well as a potential fee from the local ATM operator. Similarly, using your credit card for purchases can also come with foreign transaction fees, typically around 2 to 3% of the transaction amount. Before you travel, it's highly recommended to contact TD Bank directly or check their website for the most up-to-date information on international transaction fees and any daily withdrawal limits. Also, inform them of your travel dates and destinations to prevent any fraud alerts from being triggered on your card. In summary, while TD Bank doesn't have a physical presence in Europe, your TD Bank-issued Visa and MasterCard debit and credit cards are generally accepted for transactions and ATM withdrawals due to their global network affiliations. Just be prepared for potential fees and always carry a backup payment method. Understanding these details ahead of time will help ensure a smooth and financially stress-free European adventure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.